Don't get too close to me when I'm cooking, babe. Hey, what are you doing, mister?
I purchased this iPhone 15 Pro Max on its launch day, on the 22nd of September 2023. I've been using it for 5 months now, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my honest experience of using iPhone 15 Pro Max in real life. Well, little spoiler, it's like using any other iPhone, besides it's made of titanium and it has a USB-C port. Well, not really, there is more. Find out in this video. So my overall opinion about this iPhone is pretty positive. Finally Apple did something different. At least we have a new material, new colors. I think this natural titanium looks gorgeous. I don't regret my purchase. This is definitely a very good iPhone. Probably a little bit pricey for what it offers you, but come on, like, it's a price to pay if you want to have the latest iPhone. I don't really want to talk about the specs of this iPhone because this is really boring. I mean, I never had any issues with this phone. I'm really glad that this year I purchased 512GB version, so I have plenty of space for my pictures, videos and games. This iPhone is a little bit lighter than the previous generation. A new titanium material is definitely a good change. The most important change for me is the addition of USB-C connectivity. So finally I can charge my iPhone everywhere, I can use any cables, I can even transfer photos, videos and data. I'm using my iPhone as my main camera for my YouTube videos, so transferring video clips to my Mac is really important. Unfortunately, Apple is not providing us a proper Thunderbolt cable in the box, so if you want to have a faster data transfer, you have to purchase it separately. Luckily, I already had one Thunderbolt 4 cable and I'm using it with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I almost forgot to mention a thinner screen frame. It looks really nice. The battery life is probably the most important thing when it comes to using a modern smartphone. The battery life on iPhone 15 Pro Max is great. I never had any issues. My battery health is still at its maximum capacity, so 100% after 5 full months of daily usage. Most of the time I'm using my wireless charging stand in my office. It's also charging overnight, so every morning my battery percentage is at 100%. But remember that battery is a consumable object. It's like tires on your car. Over time it wears and you have to change it. So probably in 1 or 2 years I will have to replace the battery on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Cameras are pretty important for me as I'm filming a lot of videos, and I should admit the camera system on iPhone 15 Pro Max are pretty impressive, especially this tetra prism design that allows you to zoom far away. Just look at this, I can zoom and see even the smallest details on the Eiffel Tower. This is pretty impressive. And I should admit the quality is really good, both for video and pictures. So if you're looking for a good camera phone, really consider buying the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple even used the iPhone 15 Pro Max to film its latest keynote, and the quality was pretty impressive, but don't get fooled. To get a really high-end video quality, you have to use a special equipment and you have to make a lot of post-processing after, so you know, it's not for regular user. I don't think someone is going to use the iPhone 15 Pro Max for any kind of movies, but it can be useful for journalists, reporters. Just be aware that if you want to film in Apple ProRes quality, you have to use an external storage, like an external SSD. But thanks to USB-C connectivity, you can connect any external storage you want. So probably last thing worth mentioning about this iPhone is of course gaming. Thanks to the power of Apple A17 chip, you can now play AAA titles right on your iPhone, and it's pretty impressive. Anyway, most of the people out there are just playing Candy Crush in Metro or Subway. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you a little demo of Resident Evil 4 gaming performance on my iPhone 15 Pro Max.
It's like I said to your mom, that book's too scary for you. Almost there, honey.
What should I do here? Like, I suppose I should put a baby somewhere. Okay.
There you go, sweetheart. Don't you worry. I'll be right downstairs. Daddy won't let those weird fairy tale monsters get you.
Finally I left this baby. Oh my god, what's going on? What the fuck? What the fuck? What's happening here?
Mia. Oh, God. Chris? What the hell? Sorry, Ethan. No! What? Why?
You can also connect your iPhone to your external display or TV using a Thunderbolt 4 cable and enjoy full screen gaming.
Maker
just gotta keep quiet and come with me.
Well done, cop. Well done.
No cars are being honked and praised, you know.
What can I say? I'm a bad man.
So, should you buy it? And the answer is yes and no. Yes, if you have the iPhone 10 or lower, you will feel a significant difference, a lot of new features, better speed, better cameras, better screen, dynamic island, USB-C, and so on. But if you have a modern iPhone like iPhone 12 Pro Max or higher, really don't waste your money, it's the same shit. Usually Apple supports its devices with future software updates from 5 to 7 years, so I consider this iPhone to be still useful up to 2030, so it's like 7 years ahead. I purchased my iPhone 15 Pro Max in France and it's a little bit more expensive than in the US. I paid like 1,729 euros or something like that. It's like 2 grand, almost 2 grand for a phone. It's a lot of money, but considering its features, considering that I will be able to use this iPhone for at least 5 to 7 years, or at least resell it, and someone will be able to use it up to 2030. So I consider it's a fair price for such a valuable object. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.